We love it when customers ask for invoice pricing. Let me explain why. I hear everybody talking about invoice pricing and all of this stuff, and I want to explain what it is because we actually make a good amount of money at Invoice. So I want to explain some of the below the line money that dealerships get. Now, not all of it is money that you could expect as a discount. However, I just want you to understand where it's all going so you know what you're looking for. If you'd like, I can go over a real invoice in the future, but this is just where it all is. So we have our invoice price. Below invoice price, we have what's called holdback. That's a dollar amount, normally a percentage of the MSRP that the dealer gets back. You can assume anywhere between 1 to 1.5% or 1.25% of the base MSRP is the holdback dollar amount that we're going to be able to get back below the line. Okay, so that's just profit that the dealership has baked into the car. So what we have next is we have floor plan allowance. Now this is something that helps the dealer offset their expense because all these cars are financed through floor plan companies. That's very expensive. So we get a floor plan allowance to help offset that expense. The reason dealers want to sell their cars fast is because if we sell them fast enough, we can run that into a credit and we don't need to pay all that expense on interest. Then we have advertising. So we get an advertising credit as well with every new car that gets invoiced to us. Now this helps us actually put the car out online, make sure that we get it in front of the customers so they know that what we have advertised. Now there's some additional money that you can get is dealers have bonus money. So at the end of the month, if a dealer has to hit their number for the manufacturer to get additional bonus money, that puts you in a really good position to be able to get a great deal on a new car. So if you're shopping at the end of the month and you want to know if the dealer is close to their bonus level, just ask and see how willing they are to sell a new car in the last couple of days of the month to get there. So this money can be as upwards from $500 a car to $1,000 a car. Now this is different per brand. So this isn't standard across the industry by any means, but like Hyundai has incentive programs, other manufacturers have incentive programs. So you just kind of have to know what you're looking at there. Then there's dealer cash. Dealer cash is something that the manufacturers will give to us to help put deals together. Okay, so this is sometimes model specific. Sometimes manufacturers will just give you a lump sum of money to use on specific deals from $250 up to $1,000, just depending on what you need to make the deal. This is going to be hard for you to know whether or not dealers have dealer cash, but it is out there sometimes. You can ask for it and they might tell you. So this allows us, again, to give additional discounts to give you a better deal on the car. We get to use it per our discretion on if we want to show it as additional discount or we want to take it in as additional profit. So it's just something to know. It's not, you're not going to be able to see that online and find out who's got dealer cash right now, but it's just another piece of the puzzle that you should be aware of. For more tips and tricks like this, follow Kyle's Cars. And if you want to see what a really good buying experience is like, click on my link in the bio.